Okay, so we're on our way to the waterfall. It's actually our first time going there. Abu Gama has been there before, and we're gonna go check it out. So dear, you excited?
Yes.
Let's go. Sondi is a gentleman. He's carrying my bag since I have to carry this big ass camera. Right, Sondi?
He can't carry his own bag because he's damn weak. I'm damn strong.
Okay, so the view is beautiful. 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 So thankfully we just met these two local dudes. So they're gonna
Sanjay Kumar or
Bobby.
Bobby Deol. Sanjay Kumar or Bobby Deol mil gaya.
Who knows the way to get up there. They're saying that it might be blocked because of the weather. The weather's been really bad like the past few days. But yeah.
Shit. ये काटता तो नहीं ना? नहीं.
अब फिर से बताना क्या हुआ?
कहाँ?
अभी वो सांप के साथ.
सांप के साथ है?
हाँ.
छोटा था मैं तब मैं छोटा. पैंट के बढ़ गया था नहीं अंदर.
पैंट के अंदर?
हाँ जी अंदर बढ़ गया.
और फिर?
और क्या मैंने पैंट उतार दिया था उसका. चल गया सीधा नंगा घर को.
अच्छा.
बोला कि मम्मी स्नेक चल गया अंदर.
So change of plans. The water was really dirty, so we're gonna go to a smaller one. Because of the rain, there's a lot of water coming in. So for our safety, we're gonna go to a smaller one. So let's go. Yeah, come on, Jeta. Also, खर्च है रे तुंदा.
Oh, the next upcoming shake ani shake has this down some customers subscribe.
Alright, so let's go.
तुझसे दूर मैं भी हूँ मजबूर, दिल को सताए तेरी अखियों का नूर. बातें ये सजी आज तुझको बताऊं, मुझे समझ नहीं आता कैसे दूर या मिटाऊं. बस तेरे लिए मैं ये गीत लिखते जाऊं, दिन रात ही मैं इन्हें गुनगुनाऊं. फोन में फोटो तेरी देखूं वारी वारी, जी करदा जदा में मार दे गुलारी.
Okay, so it's starting to get really windy. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Hopefully you can. But yeah, guys, the view is beautiful. Okay, so we're finally here. This, Niga chick, Niga ni. He's working out before he could take off his shirt. I'm about to get some B-roll shots, so hope you guys enjoy this. Let's go.